Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B0013-11, indicates a short-to-ground condition in the front passenger's knee airbag inflator of the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This error arises when the Safety Restraint System, SRS, unit detects higher than specific current or voltage on the detection line that monitors the airbag status. Essentially, the airbag is not functioning as intended, which can compromise passenger safety in the event of a collision. The front passenger's knee airbag plays a critical role in protecting the passenger's lower extremities during a crash by deploying rapidly and cushioning the impact. This component is located beneath the dashboard on the passenger side, usually integrated within the vehicle's structure for optimal protection. In this case, the SRS unit logs the DTC as a precaution, indicating potential malfunction in the airbag system, which must be inspected and addressed immediately to ensure the vehicle's safety features are operational. The DTC B0013-11 is specifically associated with the front passenger's knee airbag, which is designed to deploy in a collision scenario, providing critical protection to the passenger's knees and legs. This airbag is part of the Safety Restraint System, SRS, designed to minimize injury during a crash. The SRS unit, which monitors the airbag's conditions, is located in the vehicle's central control unit, and any irregularity in the circuit can indicate a failure in the airbag system. The SRS unit, in conjunction with sensors located in various parts of the vehicle, evaluates the operational status of the airbags. When the circuit experiences excessive current or a short to ground, the SRS unit activates the DTC, alerting technicians to investigate the airbag's integrity. This condition not only compromises passenger safety, but also potentially affects the vehicle's overall stability in a crash. The accurate location of both components is crucial for effective diagnosis and repair. Several possible causes can lead to the DTC B0013-11. One major cause is a short circuit in the wiring harness that connects the front passenger's knee airbag to the SRS unit. This can occur due to wear and tear, corrosion, or incorrect installation following prior repairs. Another potential cause is a faulty airbag inflator itself. If the internal mechanisms malfunction, the system may perceive an abnormality and trigger the DTC. Additionally, a defective SRS unit can also be responsible for this error code. If the SRS unit fails to accurately assess the conditions of the airbag system, it may incorrectly log the DTC. Understanding these causes is essential for technicians to follow an organized troubleshooting approach to pinpoint the problem effectively. The symptoms associated with DTC B0013-11 are critical for identifying issues within the airbag system. One obvious symptom is the illumination of the SRS warning light on the dashboard, indicating a fault in the airbag deployment system. When this light is triggered, it usually means that the airbags will not function properly in an event of a collision, which is a significant safety concern. Another potential symptom is the deactivation of the front passenger's knee airbag. When a fault is detected, the system deprioritizes the deployment of that airbag to prevent any accidental deployment, thereby providing a false sense of safety until the issue is resolved. Technicians should also take note of any stored error codes within the SRS unit, as they provide valuable data regarding the malfunction and help direct the troubleshooting process efficiently. For the first step of troubleshooting DTC B0013-11, begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, ensuring the ignition is powered, but the engine is not running. It is important to wait for at least 10 seconds before checking for DTC indications. This brief delay allows the SRS unit to complete its self-check, where it evaluates the current state of the airbag system and its related components. After this wait, inspect the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system for any DTCs currently stored related to the SRS. If DTC B0013-11 is not indicated, it suggests that the issue may be intermittent or has resolved itself, though further inspection is still warranted. On the other hand, if the DTC continues to appear, it indicates unknowing problems with the front passenger's knee airbag or associated wiring, necessitating further detailed inspections. The next step in troubleshooting the DTC B0013-11 involves inspecting the front passenger's knee airbag circuit. Start by ensuring that the connector for the front passenger's knee airbag inflator is disconnected to prevent accidental deployment during testing. Carefully examine the wiring integrity within the circuit, looking for any signs of wear, fraying, or other damage that could indicate a short circuit condition. Focus specifically on the connections and terminals that link the airbag to the SRS unit. While inspecting for shorts, utilize a multimeter to check for continuity and resistance values. If the readings are significantly off or indicate a direct short to ground, immediate repair or replacement of the affected wires is necessary. Any observed abnormalities here will guide you closer to determining if the circuit issue is indeed causing the DTC. In this third step of troubleshooting DTC B0013-11, focus on inspecting the SRS unit connection. First, ensure that the SRS unit connector A43P is also disconnected during this phase to ensure safety during testing. After confirming disconnection, conduct a thorough inspection of the SRS unit connection, looking for any corrosion, damage, or loose connections that might interfere with its operation. Next, perform a continuity test to check the integrity of the connections between the SRS unit and the airbag. Ensure that there are no open circuits or shorts present in this section of the wiring as well. If continuity is confirmed and there are no issues found in the wiring, yet the DTC remains, it is indicative that the SRS unit itself may be malfunctioning and could require replacement or service. After all repairs and component inspections regarding DTC B0013-11 are completed, proceed to the final repair verification phase. Begin by clearing the DTC from the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system to reset the SRS unit. After clearing the codes, it is crucial to test the airbag functionality by performing a system check. This will help confirm that all airbags, including the front passenger's knee airbag, deploy effectively without triggering any new DTCs. Finally, recheck for stored error codes within the SRS unit to ensure all potential problems have been addressed. If no new codes are present and airbag functionality is confirmed, it validates the repairs completed and ensures the passenger safety systems are operational. Preventive maintenance plays an essential role in ensuring the integrity of the safety restraint system, SRS, and airbag functionality. Regularly scheduled SRS inspections can help identify potential issues before they manifest as DTCs, allowing for timely resolutions. Technicians should also actively check the wiring insulation surrounding the airbag circuitry, ensuring protection against wear, moisture, and contaminants that could lead to electrical shorts. Additionally, conducting periodic diagnostic scans of the vehicle's systems can proactively catch issues before they escalate into serious safety concerns. These preventive measures not only maintain safety in the vehicle, but also provide peace of mind for the driver and passengers, ensuring that all airbag systems are functional in case of an emergency. In summary, DTC B0013 signifies a critical issue within the front passenger's knee airbag system of the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. Understanding the roles and interconnections of components, such as the knee airbag and SRS unit, is essential in diagnosing and correcting the errors indicated by the DTC. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach, beginning from simple checks to more complex inspection, ensures that technicians can accurately identify and rectify the root cause of the failure. As airbag systems are foundational to passenger safety, this troubleshooting should be executed with diligence and thoroughness. Ultimately, effective diagnosis and repair of DTC B0013-11 not only rectify the error, but also reinforce the protective capabilities built into the vehicular safety systems, ensuring an optimal driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.